In this tutorial, we are going to create a assembly of refrigerator valve. We will create each and every part and assemble at the end, and we will also do some exploded view animation in SolidWorks. Let's make assembly of refrigerator valve in SolidWorks. This is a assembly. We will create each and every part, and at the end we will assemble. We have 5 number of parts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Body, valve seat, spindle, then gland nut cap. Okay, so we will start with the part 1. All dimensions are in millimeter. Part 1, this is the valve body. So we have one view, then there is section view, section AA. You will see the direction. Then this is the back view. So we will start to create this first. Let me make this upper body. This outer diameter, how much? Here you will see 20, and you will see distance 0, 18, 32, 44. So these length total 44. If you observe from here, total length 64. So 44, and from this point to here 20. Okay. So we will create with the help of then back side we will extrude this one. Which one? Okay, this one. 20 dia. Okay, you will see the gap from center line 20. Okay, and distance 0 to 32. See, then okay, let's do this first. Now front plane sketch, we will use revolve boss base feature. Straight, little step, and connect. Press escape key to out. Make this line as a center geometric. Now let me define. If I am going to keep outside, it will show you diameter 28. Similarly for this, 24. Okay, now total length shows 64. Now this length 44. Now let's go to feature and activate revolve boss base feature. I want to add material. Now due to this construction line, this profile is open, so we have to choose yes. System asks, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. Now look, by default system took this center line as an axis of revolution. Now we are going to add material complete 360. So here you have to apply 360 degree. Direction anything. Okay. Now let me uncheck real view. Front plane, sketch, circle. Now here we have 20 diameter circle. Smart dimension 20, and distance given 32. Okay, look, drawing is still not defined. It means we have to apply some more constraint. So select center point, hold shift key, select this origin point. Now let's make this vertical. See, go to feature, extruded boss base. Now here I want to add material. Now this length of material 20 millimeter, but I am going to add this one in reverse side. So here see the arrow, just click reverse direction. See, material move back side. See, now let's add this flange. You will see radius 10, this radius 100. There is a hole, 2 throughout hole, 11 diameter, 45. And how much this thickness? You will see here 39 millimeter, 11 millimeter, and distance from center to this 39. So first we have to create a plane, then we will add this one. Okay, and after this we have to add, see, there is a one threaded hole, M16. Now let's first create this one, 18 dia. See this diameter, distance 0 to 12, 12 to 22. Then there is a one tapered view 30. Now these one 10. This is important. Okay, then one more thing here, M8, and this is 60. For M8 M8, this is ISO standard, so 6.8 mm hole for M8. If you want to create first hole, then we will create M16. Okay, let's create some plane. First reference, choose front plane. Now here apply distance 39. See, okay. Now select the plane one, sketch. Now I am going to first draw center line. Now activate circle. Let me draw two circle. Mirror entity. Now select this both the circle. Make sure you selected copy, mirror about this one. Okay. Now again select here 3-point arc. Now connect this one to this one. Press escape key to out. Now make relation. Now select this arc and select this circle. Tangent. Similarly do this side. Select arc, circle, tangent, constraint. Mirror entity, select this entity, make sure copy and select this line. Okay. Now I want to choose, okay, do one thing, trim entity, power trim and trim this one. This is unnecessary line, we don't need this. Okay. Now we have a structure. Let's apply dimensions. First center dimension 45, outer radius 10. Now length 18 millimeter. Okay. Now this one 100 millimeter, 11 millimeter. Look, drawing seems fully defined. Go to feature and activate extruded boss base because I want to add material. Now look, this is important. Now material going to add wrong side, so reverse. Here apply 11 millimeter. Say okay. Now select hide. Okay, this diameter 20 we have to add with this, then we will create this one. Okay, I am going to select this face, sketch, circle, smart dimension, the diameter goes 20 millimeter. Okay, now we have to apply center line. Select the center point to this, press escape key to out. Now select this one vertical, select this line horizontal. Look, it seems fully defined. Extruded boss base. Make it reverse, and here I am going to choose up to surface. Select this body. Okay, look. Now I want to add some hole inside. So which plane? Right front plane, sketch. Okay, let me add one center line across midpoint to origin point. Press escape key to out, activate line tool. Connect, exit. Now I am going to define first this diameter 18 millimeter. Similarly for this one 10. And this hole going for M8. So for M8 in ISO standard hole size 6.8. Okay, that's fine. Now distance from here to here 12, 10. Now select this one and select this end point. It will show you this stride. So select this one. Now this angle 30. Okay. Now from here to here it's 32. Okay. Now let me drag down. Smart dimension. Now in drawing it's given angle 60. Now let's activate here revolve cut. Now due to this construction line we have to apply, yes, because I want to close this profile. Now you will see the preview. This center line selected as a axis, and I want to remove material 360, a complete hollow. So okay. If I am going to see front plane section view, okay, see the material is removed. Okay. Now let's add hole from bottom to next M16 and okay, from top M16, but depth of hole you will see here. See 19 millimeter is the thread depth. Oh, not 19 millimeter, not 19 millimeter for this one. You can calculate from here. 15 millimeter, 49, 64 minus 49, 15 millimeter. Go to hole wizard. Here choose straight tapped hole. See straight tap. ISO standard. I don't want to make throughout hole, so I am going to keep bottoming, tapped bottoming hole, and here I am going to apply M16. We don't have clarification on pitch, that's why I am going to choose. Now here make sure angle keep 120 degree. Now this is going to be, let's say, next. With thread call out, position, select this face and place here. Press escape key and just rotate and see the preview. Okay. Now let me see. Okay. Now this is available. Now let's come here. Again hole wizard. Now same hole, ISO standard M16, but here we have to apply depth. Keep end condition blind and depth here 15 millimeter up to shoulder, not up to tip. And this is thread. Thread how long? 15, same. And at bottom with thread call out, it will show you cosmetic thread. We will see. Okay. Position, select this top face. Place at center, press escape key. Okay. Okay. See, let me do one thing. Section view. Okay. See. Now, these holes created for M8. So, we will apply thread here. Egg. Hole wizard. ISO standard tapped bottoming hole. Here I am going to choose M18. M8. Keep angle 120 degree. Now this is going to be next. Position. Now from enter from bottom, select this. Now place at center, press escape key to out. Now let's say okay. Options, document property and detailing. Shaded cosmetic thread, image quality, okay, it's already higher. Now front plane section view. Okay, keep color. See, we applied threads all over. This is what we need. Exactly. Now we already applied hole. Now you will see there are radius in 5 corner. 1, 2, 3 and this one. And there is a chamfer 1 into 45 degree. Okay. And here one 8 diameter hole up to this. And similarly M8 thread up to this. Okay. Now select this face, sketch. Now here we have to create a hole, only hole, not threaded hole, simple hole. M8. Okay. If I'm going to, which one? Now see, this is sketch to show. Look, we already created some. So select this center point and this one coincide. Look, this is fully defined sketch. We just use previous sketch, sketch 4, because this is exactly at the center of this line. Now you can hide. Click this sketch, hide. Go to feature and activate extruded cut, because I want to remove material. But how? Here choose in direction up to next. Up to next means this is going to cut only up to the inside wall. Okay, let me add here hole also. Hole wizard. Tabbed straight tab, ISO standard bottoming tabbed hole M8. Position, select this face. We have to place at center. Press escape key to out. Just look at this. Okay, this is going up to. Okay, now which plane? Right plane, section view, normal view. Okay, look, we added one thread from here, we added hole from here. Now our job done. Simply add fillet, fillet type constant size, radius 2 millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this corner also have radius 5. Similarly, chamfer. For chamfer type, angle distance, the first one. Now here 1 into 45 degree, and I'm going to select this corner. Now material, let's say it's given edit material, steel AISI 102079, apply, close. See, but I'm going to add some different color, so edit, and let's say this one. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now let me save this one. Okay, go to desktop, create new folder, refrigerator valve, enter. This is part 1 valve body. Let me save here. Now let's make part 2. Which one is part 2? Part 2 is the bottom one. This is called valve seat. Okay, this is the part 2. Okay, let's try to create all body together. 28. Okay, I'll tell you how. From 0, 15, 21. Okay, this way we can apply dimensions. 32. Now this one 16, so outer diameter 16. This is also 16. 28, this is hexagon shaped diameter. Then throughout there is 8 diameter hole at end 120 and hole depth 10, diameter 10. Then there is a chamfer 3 into 45 degree. Okay, let's do it. New, here choose part. Okay. Now I'm going to choose front plane, sketch, activate line tool. Press escape key to out. Make this one center line. Smart dimension. 16 millimeter. Okay. Now total length given is here. Okay, let's use one more options. Now see here, vertical coordinates dimension. First you have to choose one base. So I'm going to select this one. Okay. Then okay, the drawing actually from this direction. So delete this one. We will start from here. This is 0. The second option, double click and you can change the dimension. 15. Select this one. Double click the dimension and you can say 21. And the last option, double click 32. Here select OK. Now choose smart dimension. Now this one I am going to select something 35 because we need to cut one shape. Select these two lines, make relation collinear. Now I want to add, so activate circular revolve boss base. Due to this construction line profile is open, so system asks, would you like to close? Say yes. By default, system took this center line as the axis of revolution. I want to add a complete circular body, so you have to apply a complete angle. Okay. Now hole 8 diameter, so select this face, sketch. Eight. Activate extruded cut. I want to remove material. So here I am going to choose either choose next or through all. Okay. Similarly, I am going to select this face, sketch. Now I am going to add polygon. Now add this material. $28. Now select this one, vertical. Extruded cut. Now select here, okay, let me choose through all. And I am going to choose flip side cut. See? If I am going to select through all, see the arrow move this side, say okay. And here we go. See? Now, back side here we need to, okay, for, let me check, front plane, sketch, activate line tool. This is 2 millimeter radius. Go back to the point and see the line is converted into arc. Now press escape key. Now select these 2 points, vertical. Smart dimension 2 millimeter. Center. See, there is a midpoint. Mirror entity. Now select this all. Copy, select this. Mirror line. Okay, let me select one center line or midline. Activate revolve cut feature. Now here I am going to select this line because there is a 2 line. I want to remove material complete 360, so you have to apply 360 and see. Oh no. Here we have to apply thread, so we have to apply insert. Not okay. Go to drop down and you will see annotations, cosmetic thread. Now here choose standard ISO standard machine thread M16. Blind depth 13. Now here choose circular edge. So I am going to select this edge. Okay. I'm going to detailing. Quality also I'm going to increase, so that it will increase your file size, but image quality become good. See. Similarly, again I am going to annotations, cosmetic thread, select this edge, everything same, ISO standard, machine thread, M16. Now here depth given only 10 millimeter. Now right plane sketch. Now here we need to create one hole. Select this point. Smart dimension. Diameter shows 10 millimeters. So radius 5. Okay. And angle total angle given 120. So this angle going to be 60. Okay. Now these hole going to match with this. So do one thing, select this line and this one coincide. See, it seems fully defined. Revolve cut. Now for axis, I'm going to select this line. See, complete 360-degree, axis already selected. That's it. Now top side chamfer 3 into 45-degree. Now here keep angle distance, tangent propagation, select this edge. This is going to be something. Here choose part, select this one. Remove this chamfer. See, this is going to be fixed something like this, or okay, that's fine. Let me save this one. Valve seat. Okay. New. Now let's make the third part. Now third part here, this one. This is the spindle, scale 1.5 compared to other. Now from length, total length 74. There is a one square, you will see this is section E. This is square, 5 square, up to 6. Then this diameter 6. Then there is M8 thread here, 44, 56. Remember these dimensions. Then this corner 66, 68, 74, 120. This diameter 12. Okay, let's do it. Right plane sketch, activate line tool, start from here. Okay. Press escape key to out. Now here I am going to choose, okay, let make this center one construction line, smart dimension. Let me define first diameter. 6. For M8 thread, make it M8. Now this one 12. Okay. Now here I am going to choose, this is horizontal coordinates dimension. Now first this is the reference, so make it 0. Now second one, double click, 44. Okay, this is not going to show properly. So let me drag this one. Okay, let's define this angle. Normal smart dimension. Select this point and this one. If you calculate, this is going to be 30 millimeter. Fine. Now distance from here to here, 68. From here, 66. Okay. Now let's move this one. Okay. Now the things goes online. Now this one from here to here, 56. Okay. Now total. Revolve boss base. Due to this construction line profile is open, so you want to close, say yes. Center line, see this center line, construction line selected as a axis. I want to add a complete 360 body, so we need to apply 360 angle. See here, insert, annotations, cosmetic thread, ISO standard M8 thread. Now select this edge or choose next. If you don't see, again go to options, documents, property, detailing, shaded cosmetic thread, image quality, something like this. Okay. Select this back sketch. Now draw one circle, square. Press escape key. Now select both the vertical and horizontal line, make relation equal constraint. Okay. Smart dimension 5. Extruded cut. I want to remove material. Now here depth only 6 millimeter, but flip side to cut. You will see preview. See this yellow portion going to remove. See. I want to add spindle valve. New part. Now what next? Part number 4. Okay, what is the name of part number 4? Gland nut. Okay, this is M16, depth 10 millimeter, then total depth 16, and center to center 14. Okay. Then there is a hole 6 dia chamfer 2.5 into 45, corner radius R2. Okay, let's do this. Top plane sketch, activate circle, make it M16, 16 diameter, extrude total length. $16 millimeter. Okay. Now from here a sketch, Now the diameter 14. Let's make this one horizontal. Extruded cut. Here keep end condition blind. Depth 10 minus, it's going to be 6. 16 minus 10, 6. Flip side to cut. Okay. Let me select right plane, no. Left front plane, sketch because there is a curve. So go back to the point and see the curve is line is connected. Okay, become curve. Press escape key. Now let's make these 2 points vertical. Smart dimension 2 millimeter. Okay, I want to add only here. So let me draw one center line. Center line, okay. Revolve cut. Now see, by default, system took this construction line as the axis of revolution and angle applied 360 degree. You will see the preview. See, let me make a hole. Hole wizard, choose, keep customize, simple hole, ISO standard, drill size. Now from here you can select your hole. Six up to next position, select this face, place at center, press escape key to out. Chamfer 2.5 into 45, select OK. Now here we need to add a hole, so simply go to insert, annotations, cosmetic thread, ISO standard machine thread, and here let me choose the size M16. Okay, keep next. Let me select this edge. Okay. This is gland nut. New part. Now this part we done. What is next part? Okay, this is the 5th part. Outer diameter you will see here 40. Okay. Now 12, 20, 41, 45. Total length distance from here to top 45. Okay. You will see here 32, 40. Okay, so we will make total corner radius R4. Okay, do one thing. Let's try this. Line, front. Press escape key, select this line, make it construction line, smart dimension, keep diameter 40, and why we need to do this? Make it one only. That's simple. 45. I want to add material, close, yes. Revolve boss base, okay. Now select the top face, sketch, polygon, smart dimension, and let's make this one horizontal. Extruded cut. Now make it depth 25. Flip side cut. See, I want to cut outside material. You will see this arrow. Now, which one? Front plane sketch. Let's make corner R4. So activate line. Go back to the point and see the line is converted into R. Close. Now make it, select these 2 points, vertical, 4 millimeter. Okay. Now draw one center line. Mid line, feature, revolve cut feature. Look, by default system took this line, this center line as the axis of revolution, and this is going to cut complete 360. You have to apply angle 360 degree. Now let's make a hole here. M24, depth 12, thread also up to same 30, angle 18 dia. This is 41. Hole wizard, tab, ISO standard bottoming tapped hole. Here choose M24. Now depth here select angle 120 degree. Okay. Now 12. Thread also up to 12. Position, select this face, place at center. Press escape key to out and see the preview. Okay, select this face, sketch, circle, (18) and depth of this hole 41 millimeter. Keep end condition blind, depth keep 41 millimeter. Fillet, constant type fillet, here symmetric and radius 2 millimeter, and select the face or edge, no matter. Section view. Okay. Now see the preview, how it looks like. Now yellow color. Now save this one, cap. Now see, this is the assembly. You will see part 1, part 2. See, this is going to be the chamfer going to be down, and these spindle going to rest on this. There is a chamfer. Then we will apply this gland with gland nut with this body. Okay. Go to file, new, choose here assembly. Okay. Now drop down, and here I am going to activate view origin, because first part I am going to fix here. So first part valve body. Now keep cursor and see, this is going to fix with origin. See, click. Now the first part fix at origin. This is important, otherwise you have to again set this reference or plane. Normal view. Now let me hide. Now if you right click on part, see float, means this part by default fixed. It is not going to move. Insert component. Now valve seat. Now see, I want to rotate this one because this chamfer part going to be downside. So how you can rotate? You will see here X, Y. So click X. See, this is rotated. Again click X. See, this is rotated. Place somewhere here. Mat. Now select this hole and this one. Concentric relation. Okay. Now just drag. Now I want to, either you can apply mechanical mat. We will apply mechanical mat on others part. Simply I am going to fix with this coincident relation. See, now in drawing you will see this face similar to here. So select this face and this face parallel. Okay, cancel. Select this one, normal view. See, insert component. Now less spindle. Now I want to rotate, so X, click OK. Now I am going to choose mat. Select this one and this one. Concentric. OK. Now let me select section view. Front section view. OK. Now just down, and I want to fix this one here. Mat. Clear. Select this C setting. This one and this one. Both going to fix coincident. Okay. For time being, I am going to fix this. Okay. Now insert component, gland wall nut. Place somewhere here. Okay. Mat. Select this one. Oh, not this one. Clear. Now here I am going to apply some relations. Mechanical mat. Screw. Now select this internal and this one. Okay. 1 revolution per mm for a time being. Now go to advanced mat, limit. I want to fix some limit. This face, this face. Come down. Now see these two faces, minimum 0, maximum 20. Here make it 0. See? Now if I am going to rotate, take this up, cancel this one. Now select this one, change transparency. See? See? This is not going beyond this. See the maximum distance between these two faces. That's fine. Change transparency. Now let's bring next part, cap. Now I want to add here hole. Open part. Now see there is M24 thread, depth 19. Now go to insert, annotations, cosmetic thread. Now select this edge, and here is start face. So I'm going to select this face because we already applied here chamfer. ISO standard machine thread M24 and depth blind depth 19. Say OK. Now click save. Go to assembly. Now you will see mat. Now here I am going to select the standard mat, select this one and this one. Concentric relation. See. Even you can set or you can remove anything, no matter. Now let me first save this one. Refrigerator valve assembly. Now go to exploded view. First I am going to select this one, take down. Now here select done. Now select cap, drag up to top, select done. Select spindle, drag, done, and select this one. Now we will little adjust so that it looks better. Even though again select, take down. If you did more, again select, take down. Okay. Now right click, collapse. Now right click, animate explode. See. If you want to see some insert or edit smart explode line, you will see. Uncheck sub assembly part. Now there is a dot line. If you don't like, just undo the procedure. Even if you want to use explode line sketch, you can do it. But that's it. Okay, let me do one thing. Collapse. Now here choose motion manager. Select this one. Now here I am going to animation. Before going that, let me choose basic motion. Animation wizard. Explode. Next. 5 seconds. Let's make a little faster. Finish. Again select here animation wizard, collapse. Next 5 minutes and starting 5 minutes because we already doing finish. Calculate. Okay, it covers all the things. Okay, we made some mistake because this step also covered here because we did in our assembly. Don't forget to share, like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.